Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if your Poco F7 Ultra is original or fake. Now to do that I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if your Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your smartphone is original. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now just dial *#*# 64663 #*#. From here you can test the hardware of your smartphone. Like you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. Just like that. And also you can test the other hardware of your smartphone. If you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. From here, just compare the IMEI numbers which is given on your smartphone screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Mi Global. From here, just open the Xiaomi Global website. Now just scroll down and tap on customer support. Now from here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now as you can see, there are many ways to connect to the Xiaomi customer service. You can connect with the Xiaomi customer service through the chat service, or you can connect with the Xiaomi customer service with the email support, or you can use the number to connect with the Xiaomi customer service. Just select the chat support. If the chat support is not supported in your country, just select email support or the phone number. From here, just scroll down and tap on live chat. From here, just tap on privacy policy. Now just go back and tap on yes. From here, just enter your email address. Now once you enter the email address, just tap on submit. From here, just type warranty status. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, welcome to Xiaomi's customer service. Now they are asking us to share our IMEI number." Just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. From here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and tap on the three dots over here. Now just tap on copy. From here, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app. Now just paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few moments for the Xiaomi customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they are asking us to wait for a few moments for them to confirm our smartphone's details. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our device. Now below the IMEI number, you can find the model of your smartphone. Now as you can see, I am currently using the Poco C75 to record this video. Now from here, just make sure that the name of your device and the specs are identical to your smartphone. Now from here, just check the warranty start time and the warranty end time. Just like that. And also check the activation date. Now as you can see, this is how you can check if your Poco F7 Ultra is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.